Other terracotta items at Cottagee would include the bull figurines and the mother goddess figurines. Bull figurines also come from Rahmanteri. Now, apart from that, from Cottagee, we have a very interesting evidence in the form of a wheeled toy cart. Now, this model replica probably actually indicates the presence and use of life-size real carts attached with wheels. Now, this would also indicate that there was a significant change made in the communication system. Kalibangan in northern Rajasthan is a distinctive mature Harappan site. But beneath the mature Harappan level, we have come across wonderful evidence for an early Harappan phase of activity. And in fact, this early Harappan phase shows the evidence for a citadel, and the citadel wall is a massive rampart which is founded upon stone rubbles and then built upon by mud bricks. And within this enclosed space, we find dwelling quarters as well as uses of public spaces. For example, manufacturing areas, which is probably indicated by the rows of ovens that we have found on floors. And also pot-like huts which have been found laid down side by side continuously. But the most interesting thing about the building activity here is the standardization of the bricks. The sizes of bricks may vary, but they were built on the similar ratio, that is 3:2:1. We have the first signature of some kind of uniform pattern of organized labor activity centering round the building acts, which we shall find being replicated in the mature Harappan period, where the standard brick sizes would become a mark of the urban organized culture. Along with this, we have an interesting evidence from Kalibangan, and this relates to the agricultural activity at that site. Now, we found that there is a field which still bears the furrow marks created by a plough. Now, these furrow marks run at right angles to each other and forms a grid pattern. That means that this indicates there were probably the practice of double cropping at Kalibangan. Now, this is a very interesting evidence because it is also followed by the finding of a model terracotta plough from Banawali. This probably indicates that there was a gradual initiation of plough cultivation at the pre-Harappan level. All these evidence go to show that the foundations of the mature Harappan urbanity was already laid down in the early Harappan period. Now we are in the know that between the 3300 BCE and 2600 BCE, the foundations for mature Harappan urbanity were clearly laid down by the people who were farming at that time, who were making those craft objects, who were building the cities, and they are the ones who supported the superstructure of Harappan urbanity.